Coming to a stop here. And just sideswiped another man here. Continuing westbound. Maybe here we're at the intersection of Rocky River and Brook Park Road. Sideswiped a third vehicle using dark blue Jeep Compass.
Still westbound over Park.
6-6 Trigger. It appears that she was intentionally trying to push into other cars. Yep.
We're still westbound on Brook Park Road. We're coming up to the bridge here. Coming into Fairview Park. If you can give them a call, let them know. Coming up to Graydon. And looks like we're going to go past Graydon. Continuing westbound. Speeds are 40 long. Well, there's debris in the roadway. Curb lane, 2 tires. We're getting on 480 east. And it looks like speeds are about 15 right now. Might be coming to a stop here on the on-ramp. Cars having trouble holding it together, driving off the road here on the on-ramp to 480 east. 480 eastbound, cutting across all the lanes to the fast lane. Speeds are only about 15 right now. No tires on the left side of the car.
Make a wall, stay wide behind me.
Alright, everybody move wide. 480 east right now. Speeds are about 53. Whoever's directly behind this car, be careful. There's going to be shrapnel coming off there. Give it some room.
6-6 is directly behind it. Keep a wall, don't let any cars pass you.
We're coming up to the 71 split. They're thinking taking it here. They're weaving back and forth between lanes. She's now going the wrong direction on 480 eastbound. We do have traffic behind us stop though. Looks like we're coming to a stop here. Yeah, we gotta get this car stopped. We gotta head on block